Hello guys, I want to introduce myself in front of you. This is Aditya, based in Delhi. I am pursuing my graduation from University of Delhi. Let me start with my qualification and skill set. I am holding 3 years experience in stock market and trading, and I am a quick learner and adopt easily new environment according to work. And my hobbies lie in enjoy music, playing video game. About me. Thank you for paying attention. Now, secondly, I wanted to introduce my family member, my brother. My brother always inspire me everywhere where I step. He is not my brother. He is my inspiration in all the field, and he is very humble and caring and kindness person. He play a model role in my life because he is not my brother. He is act like my father after my father. And whenever I need any help, firstly I call him and tell about my problem, and he helped me everywhere. And this is very useful for me to have a such brother. So that's all about him. So now I want to introduce my home in front of you. My home is not a home for me. It is a small world for me uh, to spend time with my family. And every corner of my home has a story to tell. And my home is a full of enjoyable and good environment. And I have 2 bedrooms and another 3 also. There is a 2 kitchen and 4 bathroom. And my home is a good place for me, and my bedroom is also for me act as a relaxed place where I spend my much time and work on that room, because whenever I sleep on my room, I feel relaxed and stress free. That's all the story about my home. And now I want to introduce my daily routine in front of you. So I woke up at 7 o'clock and take a bath and having a lunch breakfast with my family and works on laptop and to watch the market till 3:30. After that, having lunch with my brother, and in the evening I will go to gym. After gym, I go to coaching to learn English at LanguageSky. Furthermore, having dinner with my family after sleep, and that's all about my daily routine. Now I would like to talk about my favorite food, which is dal makhani. That this is a very delicious for me, because whenever I go somewhere, I definitely eat dal makhani, because whenever I eat, I feel good rather than eating other food. And this food is made by dal, and which is soft and easy to eat and spicy. This is also spicy. So this is my favorite food. And now I would like to introduce in front of you my best friend. I have a best friend. The name is Dave. He's based in Sabapur and Dalpur. I met him at 10th standard, and I have a strong bond with him and gradually increase bond day by day. And it's lucrative for me to have these types of friends in my life. Whenever I need any help, when I stuck, he helped me everywhere, and I enjoy every moment when we spend time together. And he always inspire me to do any good work rather than bad things. So to have such friends in my life is very enormous thing to me. So these friends play an important role in my life. I want to maintain our bond till my death. So that's all about my friends. Thank you for paying attention, and that's all about. Thank you. If I miss something, I will definitely seek your guidance. Thank you.